Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 5th. Time is around 7:15 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and when recording yesterday, I told you that everything is possible in financial markets, that we could also hold this low here. We were about to break it, but we held it and we went back up again. So yeah, this is nice for entertainment purposes, but like the truth is, this low is not really an important low. Even if we break this low, this does not change anything about the more general or broader idea of having a wave 4 here. Like there is still space to do a wave 4. Actually, we should reach this area for, to have our WXY correction, or I mean the textbook WXY correction. The meaning of this low here is that we could be finished here, but that does not mean that we are finished. Like it could be that we still make another low, but that our general idea of here a wave 4 as being a WXY pattern, that this ID is not violated by taking out this low. So this low does not have that much meaning. So now we are really in the business of like here on the 1 hour and the 15-minute time frame. Now we are really trying to figure out the exact low. Like this could be this could be the exact low of the wave 4, but it is still possible that we make this low somewhere else. And so like what could happen? Like, okay, first of all, the scenario in green would mean that the low is in. So then we have a WXY, and then the Y leg is an ABC, ABC. And then this C leg consists of 5 waves again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So could be finished here. That would mean that we did not reach the equal leg area. That's okay. Sometimes this happens. The other indices are at the equal legs area, so it is possible that the Nasdaq does not reach this area. And then if this is the wave 4 low, we should start to see some upward movement. Like, and even this upward movement can still be corrective, but let's assume that this is the low. What we want to see then is some kind of impulse. And so if this is the low, then this could be our wave 1, this the wave 2 as indicated in green, and then today we should have a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, and so we continue. But as soon as we take out this low, this scenario here in green is violated. I have to take it off the charts, and we have to look for something else. But that does not mean that the general idea of the wave 4 here is violated. Now, how else can we make a wave 4 then? So if we take out this low, we have to look for something else. Well, then the first thing I would think about is here the A, B, C correction. So the wave Y here, this wave Y, playing out as, so for now I will put it here, but so this wave Y here playing out as an ABC, just like we had ABC here, but ABC is located here. So this was our wave A in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was our wave B, the shallow wave B. And then what we should have next is a C leg down. And then we could see this as this being the wave 1, this the wave 2, the 3 down, the 4, and the 5. And then we should go here into this area. If we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then we should go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So I know these are two opposing scenarios. Like the one is going down, and the other one is going up. I would favor the one that is going up, because the other indices are at areas from where they can start to reverse. So therefore, I would favor here the scenario in green, but we can still have the scenario in red, and this scenario in red here still respects the overall ID of having a WXY structure as a wave 4. Then or low will not be situated here, but somewhere here in this area. So therefore, we have to see now what exactly will play out. If this low is holding for now, that could be a good indication that the low is in, and then we have to start interpret the upward price action here. Then we have to look for different scenarios. Different upward scenarios actually. But like this is a wave B. Just to mention another scenario, like if we are doing a wave B here in red, it does not even mean that the wave B has to be in right here. Like they can fool us a bit by playing around in this area. Like this happened before. I don't know if you remember, if you follow me for a while. Like this was also a wave B here, and an expanding triangle. And so one day we went up 2.5%, 2.5% down, 2.5% up, one day of rest, and 2.5% down. Like this is typical wave B behavior. So again, then here it would be a contracting triangle. But this is again something that can play out, like 3 up. No, I believe the move down was 3%, and then yesterday 1.6%. So we can print a triangle here and have our wave B here. So I think the bottom line for the Nasdaq is, if we hold this low here, this can become a reversal. If we do not hold this low, that's okay. That does not mean that the wave 4 scenario is violated. It just means that we will have our low at a lower point, probably into this area. So this is what we should look for. And I'm curious about what the market will give us today. Will we hold this low? And so then we are in the scenario here that we have a 1, 2, and then we should see some kind of move up, like as a 3 today. Or do we just break, and then we have to look again in more detail where our low can be situated. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.